This isn't going to be a routine dive. With our dive master's help, we've prepared well. It's deep and difficult. 20 meters down, we begin to get a hint of a huge mast. We can barely make out the superstructure because of the number of species covering it. Sponges are in the majority, especially those with an intense yellow chimney-like form known as Aplecina aerophoba. We descend the huge mast until we begin to make out the silhouette of the hull. We're nearly on the deck at almost 40 meters down. And we're on the wreck of the Francesca de Rimini, a tramp steamer sunk during the World War. In October 1943, the Francesca de Rimini, a 50-meter-long cargo ship of the Italian Navy, was sailing near the Croatian shore, loaded with arms for the Italo-German troops who were trying to control the Adriatic. As it neared the island of Caprige, it was picked up by a British fighter aircraft, which launched 2 torpedoes. One was a direct hit on starboard side at hold height. As the ship began to burn, the crew abandoned ship and swam to the nearby shore of the island. The vessel blazed for 2 days until it began to slowly sink. Today, the bottom of its hull rests 52 meters down. We penetrate the hold, courtesy of the hole made by the torpedo. It's dangerous and makes your hairs stand on end. Tons of grenades and other ammunition are strewn around everywhere. This wreck, only discovered in 1997, is off limits to anyone who isn't with one of the few dive masters authorized by the Croatian authorities. Perhaps that's why the wreck is almost intact even today. Lots of its original pieces can be seen, such as this machine gun, for example. As if we didn't want to leave her, we glide over the huge deck of the Francesca de Rimini just one more time. We have to begin our ascent. Our time and air is running out. The dive computers tell us it's time for a long decompression stop. It's better to be careful and to reserve a good amount of air in order to decompress safely.